Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another video. First of all, let me say a very big thanks to my OG subscriber and my new subscriber. I appreciate you all for your support. God bless you. So today I'll be trying this butterfly hair, which I got. No, not that I got from Shein. So it's a long story short. So it's a long story short. I didn't get it direct myself. So it's my friend that bought the hair, the wig. So she don't like it. I don't know. She don't like it. She want to return it back. It's like, so when she said she want to return it back, I said there's no need. How much is not so much for what is the need of taking time to go and do return all those things. So just give it to me. I will use it for something, even though I will just use it for content. I will buy it because to return you have to pay money to return the hair also. So it's like, it's not that it's too expensive, so buy return. So I take it. No, yeah, that is why I decided to use it. Though I'm not a fan of butterfly hair, butterfly wig, something like that. So I'm not that. I don't wear butterfly wig. So the color is so beautiful, which I love so much. I love the hair. It's not so heavy. So I decided to try it on. So which I did. It was nice. The color is okay. It's not so heavy. So to style it is not that easy for me, but I was able to style it in a different ways. You will see the way I'm styling it. So now I'm just install the wig on my hair. Try to get the baby hair set. Arrange. So I have to pack all the butterfly wig back. So now I'm trying to use a flat iron to straighten, to curl it a little bit, like to curve it the way I want to use the gel to do it as baby hair. I don't normally do baby hair. I love baby hair, but I'm not so good in baby hair. I don't love it so much all the time like that. So there are times I use baby hair. I bring out baby hair. There are many times I don't. So I'm just trying to. So I'm using this mousse, brown mousse, yeah, which I got in Shein also. I'm the one that got that one. I bought that for myself. So I'm trying to use it to blend the color out, to blend the lace out. So that is what I'm doing now, because the lace does not go with my skin. So I'm using this spray melt. Yeah, spray melt. I also got it for Shein also. When I ordered something, that is when I ordered those things separately. So that is what I'm trying to use to to lay them down, to help me to get the baby hair laid down also with the lace. So that is what I'm trying to do now. So I'm trying to fix the baby hair, set the baby hair flat like baby hair. This spray matte gel is so good. very good. It works so much, and it melts hair. It laid the hair very well, which I love so much. I love it for other of my wig. So after I'm done with the spray, lay the baby hair, so I'm tying it with my scarf, to make it dry, to stay good. So after a few seconds, so after a few minutes, so I decided to remove it to check. It was so dry, like the scarf was, I was dragging the scarf from the hair. Well, look at it, the baby hair is looking good. I tried for the baby hair. So now I'm trying to style it in the way I want. So I'll first of all use oil on my head, a hair oil. So for my hands, to rub my hands so that my hands can able to go through the hair, it will be easy for me not to get tangled. So this is the first style, which is center part. It was nice, good. Yeah. So side parts, this is the side part. Yeah, the hair look good. The color, I love the color. Yeah, that is good. So I'm trying to make back side part. I don't know what to call this style, but I just side part packy. So that is what I did now. So another style, I can't even count how many styles I try to do. How many styles I bring out from this butterfly look. Butterfly wig. Yeah. So I should not call it butterfly, look like it's not nice. The butterfly wig. I love this pack here. This packy look good. I love it somehow. For me, okay, look, another style. I don't know the name I will call these styles, but yeah. So that is it. So I went back to the first style, not into the second one. So that is the end of this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share with friends, your loved ones. See you on my next video. Cheers, bye.